Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Omaha Zynga poker. Unlike Texas Hold'em, Omaha deals each player 4 private hole cards. The crucial rule is that you must use precisely 2 of your 4 hole cards and 3 of the 5 community cards to form your best 5-card hand. Understanding this fundamental difference is key to mastering the game. We will go through the game's structure and essential strategies. After receiving your 4 hole cards, the first betting round, known as pre-flop, commences. Following this, 3 community cards called the flop are dealt face-up, initiating the second betting round. Then, a 4th community card, the turn, is revealed, leading to a 3rd betting round. Finally, the 5th and last community card, the river, is dealt, followed by the final betting round and showdown. A key strategy in Omaha is starting hand selection. Look for hands with good connectivity and suit potential, such as 2 suited aces with 2 connected middle cards. Avoid playing weak hands, as they rarely improve enough to win. Always consider your position at the table. Acting later gives you an advantage by observing other players' actions before making your own decision. Zynga Poker provides an excellent platform to practice and master Omaha. You can find various tables, including the popular pot limit Omaha format. Start by playing with play money chips to familiarize yourself with the game's nuances and betting structures without any real financial commitment. Take advantage of the in-game tutorials and guides to refine your strategies and become a more skilled player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.